Coronation Market. It's a Wednesday afternoon, so usually downtown closes at half day, like the shops and the stores and the stalls and the market closes half day today. But we just came out of our no movement period in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so Wednesday is the first day out.
Freedom!
But I came down here even though we know most people leave half day, but some persons are still here because I need to get fruits and we need to explore the price of fruits in this time in 2021. I may come back tomorrow Thursday, but for now we catch who is here. The smart people who decide to come out, especially since they would have lost 2 days from being inside. So now them can come out and sell, so we're gonna see how fruits go. So that's all we're getting in the market today. Last week I did some fruit shopping uptown. I want to tell me, say, Rachel, why you go uptown? Go buy fruits, you know, the fruits expensive uptown. You need to go to the market. So I come at the market now so that one can see the difference in prices, alright?
And we tell you how it go.
Alright, so without further ado, just continue watching. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I just stop at this stall. I know I told you guys that it was fruits only that I'm here for, but of course we'll have to look and see what else they have. And I found this stall that has seasoning and herbs, dried herbs that you guys may be interested in if you ever come to Coronation. So we're gonna talk to them right now so that you guys get information. You see them have things like sunflower seeds, black pepper, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, all of that. And this is the lady that's selling. What's your name?
Marcia.
Marcia?
Yes.
What's the price for these things?
I have a stuff named cardamom.
Yeah, what is this?
It's a health benefit. It's also good for pure ejaculation, for intense. A man who them private part can't stand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do they use this?
If you are making a punch, right? You make a smoothie and you put a teaspoon in it and blend it up with your ripe banana, your papaya, and your seed, your nuts.
Yeah. And this is how much for something like this? This
$500.
So this is what it looks like, and this is 500 Jamaican dollars, which is about $3.50 US. What else is good?
I've also Irish mush.
Irish mush. Okay. So what else you recommend?
I recommend chia seed. Chia seed good for diabetes. People who are diabetes who want to lose weight, they can eat it if they want to lose weight, or they can put it in a smoothie and blend it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the chia seed.
Yes, chia seed.
So this is what this one is?
Small size, $100.
100.
200.
200.
Half pound, 600.
600. Alright, what else I recommend? What about pumpkin seeds?
Yes, I also have pumpkin seed. $100, $200, $600, and $400.
Okay.
I also have sesame seed. I have oregano. $100 a time. These are herbs where you use and put on your season and your meat and season your meat. Natural herbs. You have also basil, bay leaf. This ties are 150 daily. But firstly, this tie is for $100.
I go home now.
No, come in.
Come in?
Yeah.
From tonight?
Yeah.
So them stay over, them sleep?
Yeah. All of who you see here.
Everybody's gonna sleep over tonight?
Yeah.
Wow. So
It's a cheap day.
what you said?
Thursdays are the cheap days in town.
Okay.
So the Eagles, they come in from Wednesday and they have them things set
Wednesday
up.
night.
And they sleep in the market, and Thursday morning you come down here 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. You get everything just burst out of the bag, fresh and nice. Yeah, that's how they do it.
So we're probably here on the wrong day. But
Right.
I'm fine with this because it's less people today.
Let me show you this. They have fennel seed and powder. This is good for gastroenteritis, belly cramp, belly pain, anything to do with your belly.
Okay.
You add the powder, you have the seed.
So guys, I'm going to encourage you to come and shop here. If you need your herbs or your spices, as you can see, they have a wide variety of things. This is the stall number for those of you that need to know, 538/537. And how can they contact you?
876-571-5892.
I remind them of your name?
Marcia.
Marcia with the good seeds and the good herbs. How has it been since the pandemic, especially with the no movement days?
It's hectic for us right now because on Mondays, normally we don't have to do, we have a look up back up for Monday for Thursday. So Monday and Tuesday we don't fulfill for Thursday morning. So like on a Wednesday now, it's kind of hectic for us.
Oh, so because we're in Mondays and Tuesdays and then we come out on Wednesdays, it's a little bit difficult for you to restock for Thursday morning when you usually get the heavy traffic.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, that was a mouthful. Now let's go look for some fruits. Right now the place is a little empty and I like it this way that it's not so packed. I won't say it's empty, but it's not as packed as it usually is. So that's good for me, especially given everything that's happening. If I use my phone for a record the audio, but I'm at Princess's stall. Remember the last time I came downtown and I showcased her, and she just told me that some of you came from overseas and came to shop with her. That is so amazing. But we're back here. Remember I tell you it's Wednesday evening, so a lot of persons are just packing out for tomorrow, which is the busy market day. So I'm not gonna get no melon, but we're gonna talk to Princess a little bit. Hi! Big bad celebrity. Princess turned one big celebrity, Paulina. Oh my God. So how has it been with the lockdown? I'm asking everybody that question. As we know, today is the first day after the no movement day just left. How is it?
Well, it's not too bad for me because I only work on the weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
So the lockdown don't really bother me.
Okay.
Yeah, because...
So you're not losing a day, really?
No, me don't lose no day. I just work like every day.
Okay.
We just work 3 days per week.
Remember the last time I was here, tomato price did skyrocket. It was so high. Come back down now, eh?
No.
It's still high?
Yeah, it's like $250 a pound now.
When the day was about $500 a pound, man.
Oh, that was last year?
Last year.
Okay.
We did that video. Said come right back down.
Yeah.
So how you sell the watermelons? Look at these guys, local watermelons.
$100 per pound.
$100 a pound, that's not bad. Not bad at all. So how much one of them big one would I weigh?
This weigh like 25 pounds.
Jesus. How well if a pound that, my love?
Yeah, this 25 pounds.
Oh my God, guys. So what else you gonna have on the stall tomorrow?
Basically everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, we just a pack.
You up your thing them now. So you have carrot. Mr. She have carrot. A pack out Irish potatoes. What else?
The cabbage,
Cabbage.
apple and grape.
Local apple.
No, foreign.
Oh,
We have
okay.
sweet pepper, tomato, hot pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, hot pepper, apple and grape, cucumber, string bean. Basically by tomorrow we have everything. Pumpkin, sweet potato. Yes, so everything just I get out now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you. Thank you so much for coming in the video again. She's such a trooper. I have to listen, I have to big up my local people them where I try. When I'm trying, I have to big them up at all times. And I just want to say thank you guys for coming and supporting her, and make sure you keep coming and supporting. Just come look for her downtown. Ask the princess. When I reach out to the front, just ask anybody where princess is, then we show you. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So guys, we just want to look right now at what the stalls look like. It's practically empty right now. As you can see, a lot of people just coming in and setting up their stalls, setting up their shops. It is 6 o'clock right now on a Wednesday evening, and a lot of people coming in from country, you know. So everybody packing out their stuff and all of that. So we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. Yeah, Jesus, may I have to come back tomorrow. Wow.
Like all the melon, them we have to cut them and cut again.
So look at the cart all parked up, locked up, ready for action tomorrow morning. This is so cool. Alright guys, so as you can see, the place is practically empty. I came too late on a Wednesday evening, which is fine. I wanted to see what it was like anyways. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna come back tomorrow, Thursday morning, when it's actually market day, and we compare the difference of what it looks like today as opposed to tomorrow, and really see what the prices of fruits are, what we can get for the money, you know, because one of the things they're saying is that because you're coming in right now, everybody walking in right now with the fruits and stuff like the melon, nobody wants to cut it, because if they cut it, I'll be the only person that can get from it, and they don't want to have it cut and put down, which makes sense, you know what I mean? And I really wanted to get melon, so I'll come tomorrow morning, probably come at like 6:30 a.m. bright and early. If mommy wake up out of her bed, I will come and carry you guys and make you see what's going on. But it has been an interesting day, so I'm gonna pause the video right here, so, and then we'll start again tomorrow bright and early. So make sure say only keep watching, and if you don't subscribe yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Like, please subscribe. I bring you guys valuable content, so just do something for me and subscribe to the channel, press the like button. You see me, share it with your friends. Yeah, anyway. Keep watching. Alright, so right now I'm with Dodo in a market fresh truck. I'm just help the truck run down the truck. And I actually saw him just coming out of the market, and I just want to ask you, what were you doing in the market?
Well, you know, we actually got here to deliver some goods. Because we supply produce, mainly imported stuff, but we carry some things to the market, you know, the nice grapes and the nice apples and so forth.
Okay, so where is this company located?
Well, it is actually in Mount Atlas Estate, Red Hills.
Oh, so far you come from Red Hills?
Yeah.
All the way downtown?
Yeah.
So what are some of the things they said that they supply? Grapes and what else?
Apples, kiwi, Irish potato, onions, garlic. Yeah.
All imported?
Yeah.
You know, imported from where?
Mainly America.
Oh,
It was stuff like Irish and so forth. Sometime Holland, sometime America. Just the same.
So how long now you been doing this?
Well, about 4 or 5 years.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, and what has it been like for you? Something that you like doing? You like coming to the market?
Well, yes, definitely an experience, so I really appreciate it, because you actually get to go out there and you meet people of different backgrounds and such. And
Yeah.
you see me, yeah, the work bring interaction, because you don't know, say, customer service involved, and once you work in a customer service oriented type of organization, that definitely have to be a part of it. So, yeah.
So the market alone is supply?
No, we actually do supermarkets, the roadside man, the hotel them.
Okay. So you got all about, man.
Yeah,
you're well traveled.
Yeah, country, town and in between.
I like that, I like that. But coming to the market, you ever have any bad experience coming downtown to the market?
Well, if you would have consider some heavy rain catch you inside of the market, a bad experience.
Yeah.
That's my own.
Yeah, I don't like being at the market when rain fall at all, at all.
Yeah,
I know.
But otherwise, yeah, it's alright to me.
Oh, so how the no movement thing affect you?
Alright, John, with the no movement thing, I know, I guess it just cut the fun. The fun, it really cut the fun. It cut the work days as well, which kind of make the days where you get to work a little bit harder, but you still can't complain.
Were you able to deliver on the no movement days? Because I know that delivery was...
Yeah, to some places.
Some places still.
Yeah.
So you're not cutting the days, man. You're good to go.
Yeah, them cut some of the days on Monday. Mondays, we don't normally work, but Tuesday and onwards, yeah, we do some work.
Alright, well, big up yourself, Dada. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Alright, guys, if you want to see Dada run in this truck,
Yeah.
stop him and tell him to Rushelin sign up for stop him.
Yeah. Alright, you go Rushelin straight.
Alright, thank you so much, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, so the night done. Walking to the car park now, because it's time to go home till tomorrow. I know I told you guys earlier, so I'm gone, but I'm really gone now. See you in the next clip. Subscribe.